How to tighten your loose vagina fast. A loose vagina is a common issue affecting many women at specific points in life. This problem is common among aged women and women who have given birth. But this problem should not be neglected, as it can make a woman suffer psychological issues. Moreover, this problem is the leading cause for creating disturbances in the romantic relationship of the affected women. Additionally, this problem may increase guilt feeling in women, because of which they might also suffer from reduced self-esteem. Major causes of the problem. There are some causes because the wall of the genital area loses firmness in women. This problem appears after giving birth, as childbirth puts too much pressure on the pelvic area muscles, which become loose. Furthermore, delivery makes the walls of the genital area stretch, because of which they become loose. Flabby pelvic muscles, along with loose genital walls, cause a loose vagina. Women who are experiencing abnormal menstrual cycles may also face this problem. This problem is common in older women since aging affects the organs of the reproductive system. Effects of loose vagina. Women going through this problem might also suffer adverse effects in all aspects of their lives. This problem might affect their romantic relationship since loose walls of the genital region in women cannot stimulate the male organ of men properly, which might cause dissatisfaction in lovemaking. A woman might also prevent herself from getting involved in lovemaking. This problem might stop a woman from enjoying the peak of the lovemaking process. Ways to get rid of this problem. How to tighten a loose vagina is a common question asked by these women. There are different types of herbal remedies to solve this problem. But Shabab tablets are the most recommended and reliable ways to make the vagina tighter. These herbal pills can effectively improve firmness in the intimate area by treating loose muscles and tissues. To get these herbal pills at home discreetly, watch this video until the end. Natural Shabab tablets. These herbal pills help dry up the excessive discharge. It tightens the muscles to provide the maximum lovemaking pleasure to both men and women. These pills are developed with specific herbs which bring the genital area of women back to its standard shape without causing any side effects. Apart from that, these pills also enhance the grip to ensure good stimulation during lovemaking. Shabab tablets are specially made to make the genital area of women firmer so that women can regain their interest in lovemaking and enjoy it thoroughly. These pills help boost women's libido and elevate their confidence in making love. These pills improve the pleasure of lovemaking acts for men and women and strengthen their relationships. Conclusion. Shabab tablets are the most recommended herbal tablets to boost the tightness of a woman's vagina. Females worldwide are enjoying these herbal pills. So why are you waiting? Order now and enjoy the herbal benefits of these pills. World's finest vagina tightening pills.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Shabab tablets from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.